Like we showed you earlier, all the rooftop tents come with 3 of these shorter rainfly poles, as well as this pole elevator bracket kit. If you're running an awning on the side of your tent and you want it mounted higher up, whether it's a 180, 270 or 270 XL, you'll need to raise this rainfly pole up so that your awning can sit directly on the side. So we'll start now with pulling the longer pole out. You'll see here that the riser pole brackets are about 100 mil shorter. So we won't need this anymore. We're gonna keep it in case we ever need it and take the elevator brackets off. But the other 3 that you're gonna need are included. If you have a 180 degree, you'll just need to replace the one. If you have a 270 or 270 XL, you'll need to replace the one on whatever side your awning is mounted on, and then your 2 back poles as well. So we'll just open the box up, and as always, everything you need to do it is included in the box. All the riser plates and 316 grade stainless hardware. We'll start with removing these 2 bolts on the side of the rainfly pole. Just grab one of the included Loctited bolts. First one in, second one in. We're just going to measure and make sure the pole hasn't moved too much from the other side. The distance this pole should be is about the Allen key from the edge of the corner mold. So we're going to use that as our reference, and now tighten it up. Then grab the old pole mounts, and then make sure that this one here that has the slit with the circle in the middle, it's on the front towards the back of the tent, and then this is the opposite way around. Bolt through, straight across with 2 nylocks on the back. As always, the tools you'll need to do it are included with the rooftop, just your same 5mm Allen key and 13mm ratchet spanner. Shorter pole goes in the same way the long pole always did, pulls up, hooks in, and now your awning can mount directly to the side right underneath it.